Surprised to hear last month that a study found certain cholesterol-lowering drugs, known as statins, had dangerous side effects in women. So the 22 News I-team decided to dig deeper and discover other commonly used drugs with side effects you may not know about. Studies have shown Americans are living longer today than they were, say, 10 years ago. That's the good news. The bad news is we're taking on more medications to help us live longer, which can lead to its own set of problems.
They have a lot of adverse effects and could actually become life-threatening in those patients.
The 22 News I-team called on Western New England University experts after a UMass Medical School and Mayo Clinic study found statin cholesterol-lowering drugs could increase a woman's chances of developing diabetes. Turns out there are side effects to be aware of in a number of other common drugs. For example, lots of people take long-acting beta agonists to relieve their asthma, but don't take it by itself.
The problem with those is that it's been found that they can actually exacerbate and worsen your asthma if they're used alone by themselves.
Pharmacists say it can have an opposite effect if not taken with an asthma controller medication. Another drug to be careful of is acetaminophen. A common form of acetaminophen is Tylenol, and pharmacists say a lot of prescription drugs have acetaminophen in it as well. So if you're taking that prescription and you have a casual Tylenol, if you're not careful, it can quickly lead to an overdose. A third drug to be careful of is the proton pump inhibitor used to treat common digestive disorders. Zimmerman says if you're not careful, it can lower your magnesium levels.
If that happens, patients can have tetany, they can have spasms, muscle spasms, they can go into convulsions, they can have irregular heartbeats.
Bottom line, the risks are everywhere, even with the most common medications. So be your own advocate. Ask your pharmacist or doctor questions and mention to them all drugs you may be consuming in a day. And you can find more information like this on the side effects of common drugs on the FDA's website. You can find a link to that on our website, wwlp.com.